Hello. I just wanted to take a few minutes to run down what we're going to be doing as far as our class is concerned, where you can find certain things within the class. So I'm just going to use these two sections as an example, but the same thing applies for the other sections if you're in another section of this class. Same thing applies. This is the welcome. I'll let you read through all of this when you have time. My email address right here, very prominently displayed. And then I wanted to mention also that I have advice hours that I will be offering throughout the semester. Tuesdays and Thursdays from 2 to 4, and then Fridays from 2 to 3 via my Zoom room. And I will send out announcements every time that we're having an advice hour meeting. Okay, so also within the first week of class, what I'm going to be doing is sending out a survey to ask you what times are best for you to meet too. So those are the times for now. But if a lot of you, respond that you can only meet on, Fridays at 6 o'clock or something like that, well, then I'll change those office hours to fit what most of you say is it works best for your schedules. Okay, so we're not locked into those office hours. If you would like me to change those advice hours, and then I'd be happy to do so. And I misspoke there for a second. I said office hours. I feel like office hours, quote unquote, makes it sound like I'm in my office, don't bother me. That couldn't be further from the truth. I'm there for you to get advice from, to get feedback from, that sort of thing. So please, they're for you to come see me and talk to me. So please do. Let me scroll down. This is the cover of the book that we're going to be using. It's called Symptoms of Being Human. It's an excellent book. I'm very happy with it. I'm glad that OBOC decided to go with that book for the year. We're actually going to be doing a Zoom conference with the author as an OBOC event. So One Book, One College event. So you can find the syllabus here. Very easy to locate. And then all of our buttons for the weeks. Okay. We also have a Q&A forum for you to ask questions to each other. Most of the time, if you ask a question in the Q&A forum, another student will be able to get to that question and answer it a lot faster than I can. I can only be online, so often. And so if you ask a question that other students can answer, you'll get the answer a lot faster that way. So please use that forum, okay? All right, so if you click on week 1, you'll see our course content. I'll always welcome you to the week and then let you know what we're going to be doing that week. I like to have this sort of list of things, the coursework for the week, at the bottom of the page, so it's really easy to see what you're expected to do for the week. I feel like that just sort of demystifies everything, just having that sort of list there. For some people, I guess it can be kind of overwhelming, like, oh my gosh, I have like 10 different things to do. But remember, you have the entire week to do it, and a lot of these things run pretty quickly too. So please don't let that sort of be a deterrent. Just it's there for clarity's sake. Okay, so if I have to sacrifice sort of that overwhelming feeling for clarity, I'd rather have clarity, right? I'd rather things be clear in terms of what I would like for you to do for that week. Okay. The grade book is right over here where it says grades. Most of the time, though, you're going to be looking right down here for what we're going to be doing for the week. Okay. And all of these things will line up and adhere to what it says in the syllabus. Okay. Other than that, there are other bells and whistles with the class. There's like Smart Thinking for tutoring, although I would encourage you to go also to the Writing Center. There's also the chat feature that we might use every now and then. We're going to be doing some quizzes, some surveys here and there. Not graded or anything. There's the files section of things that that's where you can also find the syllabus and things like that. But other than that, I just wanted to show you what our course is going to look like. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know. You can ask those questions in the Q&A forum, or you can send me an email. I'd prefer you to do both, really. Put your question in the Q&A forum and also ask me via email. You're really assured some quick feedback that way, quick response, and thorough response that way. So in any case, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you online when I see you online. All right. Bye.